That whole clean.
Look at that car, my nigga. Yeah, that whole live. Look at them rims, Lorenzo's. Them hoes are eat. Hold up, let me get the hoe. Wow, nigga, yeah, that's a BMW, nigga. Ooh, look at the whole icy. Oh, we'll let you see inside, but you can't. Ah, nigga, got you. Hold up. Oh, that's young Jalen protege, my nigga. Yeah, you can't see the license plate. Y'all be trying to get me. Look at them wheels, boy. That whole too loud. Y'all don't know about that. I'm riding in this. Look what my neighbors are riding in. Look, it goes from this to this. This, Jalen, to this. Oh no, that gets even better. We got this to that. Or that. Now, they ain't even home. Aww, that man. Got little kids down there playing some b-ball. Oh shit, them niggas trying to leave. We better dip. We got the hoes down there. No, like right there. We got the scandalous hoes over there. We got the broads down there. You know, we got the bitches that, oh yeah, look at the house. Yeah, the whole magnificent with the car. Yeah, you know how we go. Something about to try to come outside, ain't that some shit? Let's see who it is coming out my house. That nigger! What up, young Matt? What up, Matt?
I'm on board.
How am I supposed to know? Is it in the garage?
Should be.
That's young Matt, he's white. Oh yeah, happy Easter to you, young fuckboy.
Hey, let's go down there and mess with these niggas.
Alright, let's save this video camera. Holla at you, bitch.
They racing, what?
They racing. Hold on, let me get on there.
They all fast about to get.
Yeah, this your boy Young Dunn.